Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Lightroom quick tip. Today I have a top secret tip for you. So whatever you do, do not share this tip with anyone. We will get in trouble with the Adobe police. As a fan of Adobe products, in that one of the things that I find the greatest value is the Scrubby Sliders that are everywhere, in the control panel. You hover over an area and you can just scrub, left and right, making the adjustments. Okay. I just find that so valuable to have these scrubbies. And today I found a unique, top secret, unknown Scrubby Slider in Lightroom. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that today. Okay, so we're all familiar. I'm in the develop module right now. And I'm going to use the graduated filter here for this sunset photo. And I'm going to draw out a nice graduated filter for this sunset. And I'm going to go, okay, I'm going to drop the exposure. Okay, maybe I'm going to add a little contrast. Maybe I'm going to adjust the highlights slightly. Maybe the shadows, I'll deepen them a little bit. Just the white point. Maybe I'll even adjust the dark point. And so there. So I've done all these different changes. All these sliders have all been adjusted now based on this one graduated filter. And now let's say that I take a coffee break and I come back and look at this and I go, this is a little heavy-handed. I think I overdid it a little bit. I need to back off and, lessen this effect, adjust it a little bit. And I don't want to have to go in and, back off on the exposure, back off on the contrast, and reset everything individually. Okay? It would be nice for us to be able to just adjust all these sliders with the principle of greater than or less than on the effect. And the hidden scrubby is right here in the center dot. Put your mouse directly and hover over that, and then I want you to hold the Alt or Option key. Okay, and now I want you to come over when I do this. I want you to watch this control panel. As I scrub left and right on this bar line, it's going to make adjustments of increasing or decreasing the effect of each one of them individually. It's a very cool effect. So here I hover over the button, hold the Alt or Option, and now I just scrub left or right, and you can see the bars changing, okay, as I'm making the adjustments, and I'm lessening the effect or I'm increasing the effect. So I have a scrubby right here built in, and it's working each one of those adjustments individually as a set. And I thought that's pretty cool. I mean, it's not something that I'll use every day of my life, but it's nice to know it's there. Plus, it's a secret. Nobody knows that it's there. So there's the hidden scrubby inside Lightroom's graduated filter. All right. Till next week, you guys take care.